Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agus Wiardi from Fakultas Informatik. This time I'm gonna do presentation about why we can smoke at school. Why we can smoke at school? Because school is place to learning and teaching, filled with thousand students. So why does campus prohibit to use cigarette and vaping? The reason is the campus wants students to be able study comfortable and peaceful without being disturbed by smell of smoke or vaping and harmful effect of inhaling it. Such there is to list such a risk to lung health, pollution, cancer, and many other detrimental impact. Therefore, I believe that if students wish to smoke, they should do so in design area that not disrupt the others. We don't know that some people are sensitive to smoke, and some person might not be able to breathe if there is smoke around them. However, some people who lack empathy for the others always try and justify their behavior that harm and harm the environment by making excuse without considering the risk of their action. For this reason, I hope that some students will become more aware of their consequences of their action, as there are many risks associated with cigarette smoke. With this brief presentation, I hope some people will realize that in centrally place, we as members of society must comply with regulation and consider the cause and effect of this rule. Today, smoking has become more widespread, with many people doing it appear cool or seek validation. Even minors are increasingly becomes active more without considering the risk of their health. So let us work together to create comfortable and peaceful learning environment, free from cigarette smoke, vaping, and the risk of smoke. That's all what I can explain to you why we can smoke at school. That's it. Thank you for your attention, and I apologize if I have said wrong words. And thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Agus Wiardi. This time I'm gonna presentation about task 2 in assignment of English language. My text is the question words. The questions words today, me as creator of this PowerPoint wanna do presentation about my questions words. Let me introduce myself. My name is Agus Wiardi. That's my name, and from class 5T1D01. Before I start the presentation, I'll explain to you about questions word first. Questions word is words that you can ask to someone or somebody. Depends on context, like you can ask about time, about place, about anything else. that context is questions word. Okay, next. The questions word definition of the questions word is an interrogative word or questions is function words used to ask question, such as what, who, where, when, why, and how. The questions word are the important parts of sentence and also can be used as used to start conversation. Okay, next. The questions words what. What is the basic word from the questions word? It can be used to ask anything also. Anything is also have many function and definition. For example, number one, what? Used as interrogative expression inquiry about the identity, nature, or value of an object and matters. The use as second, use as interrogative expression inquiry about the character, nature, occupation, position, or role of person. Third, use at the end of the question to express inquiry about additional possibility. Fourth, use as an exclamation experience expression surprise or excitement and frequently introducing a question. For example, the question words is what? Example 1. Budi, what is that, Billy? Billy, that is crossroad. Example 2. Santi, what do you think about my dress? That's so beautiful. Example 3. What? No breakfast? Dad, you wake too late. Example 4. Budi, what time is it? Billy, 12 in half. Next, the questions words who. Who have meaning to ask person or people in the questions word. Who have function to ask and answer in conversation depend of context. For example, 1. Who use as interrogative to ask what or what with or which people or person. Who use second use as the and the object of verb or following preposition. Third, use as function word to introduce a relative clause especially in refers to person. Third, fourth is an interrogative pronoun used to ask question about people. For example, example 1. Who is that, Billy? Billy, that's John. Example 2. Yono, who do you think you are? Yuli, don't talk to me like that. Example 3. Paul, my ex, who are you, sir? Uncle Jerry, I'm your uncle. Example 4. Son, who ate my cake? Mother, ask your little brother. Okay, next. The questions word is where. Definition of where from the question word is to ask location. Where also have a lot of function in conversation. For example, 1. Used to ask at, in, or to what place, also what situation or position direction. Second, used to ask person or people location. Third, use as conjunction. Fourth, where use when referring to a particular, a particular stage in a processor or activity. For example 1, Conan, where are you go last night? Lucas, I was go to market. Example 2, Sanji, where we go after this? Carmen, let's go to park after this. Example 3, Agus, where are you from? Ardi, I'm from I'm from West Jakarta. Example 4. Fahri, where are you? Can we meet? Fahri, where are you? Can we meet in coffee shop? I'm in supermarket. Yes, we can. Next, the question word is when. Definition of when. From the question word is to ask time. When also can be used for a lot sentence in daily conversation. For example, when used to ask what time. Second, use as an informant and usually less prosperous time. Third, used to ask at or during the time. Fourth, used to ask even. Example, sound. Where you go when you go to canteen? Camila. After class, maybe. Example 2, Suna. Where you see John took my book? Sen. Just after you left the canteen. Third, Luffy. Where we can left this class? I don't know. Zoro. I don't know. Maybe after this. Example 4, Shinji. Muerta. When you come to my house? Muerta. We can go after school. Next. Question word why. Definition of why from the question word is to ask cause, reason, and purpose. Why also can be used for a lot sentence in daily conversation. For example, first use as used as an for what cause, reason, and purpose. Second, use as and the cause, reason, of purpose for which. Third, use to express mild surprise, hesitation, approval, disapproval, or impotence. Fourth, use to ask effect from cause. For example 1, Febri, why you look so tired? Billy, today I've many tasks. Example 2, Rini, why you left me yesterday? Sorry, Lolly, I must go to church yesterday. Example 3, why your room so messy? Don, I'm too lazy to make my room. Example 4, Budi, why are you so angry? I lost my book. Next, the question words how. Meaning of how in the question word is to ask method, sequence, and step in conversation. Also have many definition, and function. For example, used to ask in what manners or why, for what reason, with what meaning. Second, use as what degree or extent. Third, use to ask in what state or condition. Fourth, use to ask step or method. For example, example 1, Gojo, how are you? Toji, I'm fine. Example 2, how do you that? Noah, it's so easy. Just jump and flip your skate. Example 3, June, how you make that omelette? Lisa, just fry an egg and add some spice. Example 4, Ronnie, how you how you all can meet each other? Judy, it's a long story. Okay, that's it from me. I'm sorry because I'm do presentation with my phone, not my laptop, because my laptop can take a video. And from me, I apologize for all my mistake of this presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.